The people watching this video have two things in common. We want websites and we want cheap. So I found the cheapest server in the endless void of my drawer. A Raspberry Pi Zero for $10. We're gonna use this tiny piece of technology to create a full-blown website. Here's what you need. A Raspberry Pi Zero, that's around $10. A SD card, that's $3, and a cable, assuming you don't have one. The total is $13.75 for a permanent server that you can use 24/7. First, we need to install Linux from the Raspberry Pi imager. Choose the light version because who needs a desktop environment? We're going hardcore. Don't forget to enable SSH and the internet in the settings. Flash the image on the SD card, plug it in the Raspberry Pi, and power on. Wait a minute for setup and then connect to it through SSH. You did remember the password, did you? Now you have console access. Then run the commands on the screen to install Node.js. Download the unofficial build of ARM v6, extract it, and copy it to a safe place. Then set the path environment variable to the binaries. Easy as pie. Run Node and it works! Time to start with our server. Use the text editor Nano to write a basic script with Express.js to run the server. We need content, so create a folder called public and store your HTML in it. And if you're on the same network as the Raspberry Pi, then you can open raspberrypi.local at port 3000. If everything works, celebrate! To make your site public, enable port forwarding on your router. Map external port 80 HTTP to internal port 3000 of the Raspberry Pi. Now entering your public IP in the search bar should pop up the website. But nobody wants to access your site through a fishy string of numbers, right? Use a dynamic DNS service or buy a domain. And now you have a website that will get lost in the void. Subscribe for part 2 where we secure our website.